guys, on today's video we're gonna be unboxing this controller. So it's a replacement. Alright, let's just open this up. So it actually doesn't matter if this is a replacement or not. You could have just wanted another one for any reason. So, or you upgrade it. So this is the type of package that you would get from the Meta Store. So again, this is from the Meta Store. Around the box there's no information. And it's very, very lightweight. Just gonna open this up. And here we go. So this is how it looks from inside. There's nothing more. It's just the controller. So here's the controller. And that's how it looks like. So if you're getting one, make sure to get it from the Meta Store. There's nothing else in the box, by the way, so you don't get anything except for these things. So let me just show you actually exactly what to get. So that's that. Then we have the safety stuff. But again, and that's it. There's nothing else in the box. So here's the controller. The replacement controller is supposed to look exactly like the one that you guys had. So this is my left controller. However, if you guys are buying a right controller or both, that's it. You're supposed to just get this. And there won't be any batteries inside. There's not supposed to be any. You guys have to put your own rechargeable batteries in there. So there we go. And that's it. I mean, there's really nothing more to show you since this is just an unboxing. Not 1000% sure why people would like an unboxing of this, but it's understandable if you want to see what type of box you guys get it in. And if you guys want to know about shipping, well, in this case, they used UPS to get it to me. And for other things that I got from them, actually, yeah, it's been always UPS so far. So I haven't seen them use any other company for shipping. And they did leave this at my door. So they didn't even knock or ring the bell. They just left it there, which I don't like particularly, but luckily where I'm at, it's safe enough. Anyways, that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.